In the dynamic world of manufacturing, precision and efficiency are paramount. FSI is your trusted partner in shipping solutions tailored to the unique demands of the manufacturing industry. At FSI, we understand that getting your products to market on time and in perfect condition is essential. That's why we specialize in improved shipping efficiency, bringing you the know-how to ship your products with confidence. When it comes to manufacturing industries, the right shipping method can make all the difference. Our experienced team at FSI MLS knows the ins and outs of each transportation mode and carrier, ensuring your products reach their destination intact and on schedule. Some products demand special care and handling, a challenge we're well equipped to tackle. With Freight Services, you can be sure that every detail is considered, from shipping time to cost, and even unique shipping restrictions. But our commitment to excellence goes beyond just shipping. We believe in putting you in control of your logistics program. Say goodbye to tedious paperwork and endless tracking. Our managed logistics program empowers you to retain control, enjoy savings, and foster ongoing improvement, all while leaving the complex logistics tasks to us. Whether your manufacturing business operates locally or across the globe, FSI offers 100% real-time visibility for all your shipments, giving you peace of mind while you focus on your business's growth. For unparalleled expertise, streamlined logistics, and successful deliveries, choose the industry leader. We are Freight Services.